Hello again! Whether you are a hard-working professional or just looking for the convenience of a tablet for gaming purposes, you've come to the right place. With Elitix touchscreen technologies, you can toggle back and forth between multiple windows, run numerous applications and widgets, keep up-to-the-second data 24/7. At the touch of a finger, you can switch from a boring teleconference meeting to more serious activities like completing level 5 on your Angry Birds game. All our tablets come with a private cloud server package. Don't worry about your data storage again. You will have access to all your files from any of your devices at any time. Or multitasking tablets allow you to work anywhere at any time, receiving documents, email, and so much more. The built-in video chat allows you to view your other party on your tablet or on an HD TV with HDMI hookup. Need help? Feel free to stop by our concierge desk, where one of our technology specialists will be happy to assist you. From Androids to Windows to iPads, Elitix has all you need to make your web browsing and your work routine more enjoyable. See you at checkout!